Hello prospectors! In this video I'm going to show you how to craft the Alteration Bench in Icarus. Over on your tech tree, you'll be able to find the Alteration Bench in the Tier 3 section. You can craft this in the Machining Bench with the use of 24 iron ingots, 10 refined wood, 6 epoxy, 6 rope, and finally 40 copper nails. At this point you should know how to smelt down iron ores into ingots, so I'll skip that part. For the refined wood, you can make this in the Carpentry Bench. With the use of 1 wood you can make 5 refined wood. Epoxy can be made with crushed bones in the mortar and pestle, or you can use tree sap and some sulfur to make it, but I recommend the crushed bones option as it's the cheapest option. And the copper nails can be made on the anvil. Just place down a copper ingots and you should be able to make a ton of nails. With all that being said, you can now place down your own Alteration Bench. And do pay attention to this bench. It's basically 2 stations in one. The left half of the Alteration Bench is where you craft the attachments. The right half would be where you embed the attachments to your tools. And that's about it on how to craft the Alteration Bench in Icarus.